how long did you say the person was between jobs?
So
From
it was since
August?
August of
August. So
2024.
that's, yeah, that's like what, like 8, 9 months, something like that.
Yeah.
Is that typical? It seems like that's once upon a time that might have been more of an issue. I think in the last, like ever since COVID, I think it's like that it would not surprise me to learn that that's more typical than I think it has been in the past.
Yeah, people
If
are really struggling with the job search, and it takes them a long time to find jobs that are the right fit for them. And I think a lot of this just has to do with a somewhat saturation of applicants. So there's a lot of people who apply to jobs, and many people are trying to look for like the easy way to apply for roles. They want to like mass apply. They don't have to update their resumes. So there's lots of things that could be going on that could contribute to why the job search is taking so long. My suggestion is if it is taking you months to find a job, there's something wrong with your process. So we need to figure out what that is and diagnose the problem and then focus on solutions. Be solution oriented to figure out how you might be a little bit more strategic with your application process. Many
or,
times, go
or you
ahead.
could be looking in, sorry, or you could be looking in the wrong place. That's the other thing in the post job market. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Maybe I'm only exclusively looking on Indeed and I'm applying to jobs that are actually fake jobs or that were posted by Indeed and not by a real person. So that's very possible that there are things that are going wrong in the person's process. And if you are applying to real jobs, you're applying directly on the organization's website and you're still not getting anything. The first place I like to look is a person's resume, just because they might have a formatted resume that just is not doing them any justice. People typically will, in this situation, will be submitting generic resumes. They won't be tailoring it to the specific role. And hiring managers and recruiters can spot a generic resume from miles away. And if you don't have, well, I guess if you haven't put in the effort to apply to the job, they're not really going to put in the effort to review your application.
Yeah, customize.
Mm-hmm.
It seems counterintuitive to customize because it seems like, okay, why would I spend more effort, on this one job when I could just keep it generic and then blast it out to like, 800 jobs, and get just pepper the job market with my resume. It's actually more effective to customize. That used to mean you would apply for substantially less jobs. It would still be more effective because you would get callbacks for those few jobs that you apply to. But today, because of like AI and stuff, you can still customize your resume or your application and still do a quite a high volume of applications because
Absolutely.
the AI does the heavy lifting for you.